Hello everyone, Tesalam Sugo, Jotono Ani video tapu hungkai chung quadratic equations ni second part video klai tongo nga chung tabu quadratic equations ni koyekta questions solve khaini koyekta type ni questions first hungkai almost solve khaini question 4 gamo duita part tongo duyang duita part tongo takbono bhaike shubai khaine abunai ni okay tabu x washa 3x by multiply khainai x no washa 1 by multiply khainai that's how 4 no 3x washa khainai 4 no 1 washa khainai gai tabu bono shunyai x into 3x gai 3x square x into 1 gai plus x minus 4 into 3x gai minus 12x minus 4 into 1 gai minus 4 again 3x into x hungkai 3x square plus 3x into 2 hungkai 6x minus 1 into x hungkai minus x minus 1 into 2 hungkai minus 2 बताबो hungkai je x square partner x side to 9 3x square komong 9 minus 11x engong 9 minus 4 equals to 6x minus x 5x minus 2 gai 3x with 3x katang nai minus 11x or plus 5x yang thangai minus 5x gai or 4 minus 4 yang thangai 4 minus 2 gabono shunyai minus 11x minus 5x gai minus plus ang thanai bigger sign 11 so minus 16x equals to 4 minus 2 gai 2 gai x ngai 2 by minus 16 2 1 is 2 2 8 is gai oro x equals to minus 1 by 8 omo angka o equation ni root tabo o question na solve khalai nyai now we will solve this here we need to follow one formula chingoro kashi formula follow ma khlai nyai that is a minus b whole square ni here we have to follow the formula of a minus b whole square. We know there are two formulas, not for only a minus b, there's a formula for a plus b whole square also. A plus b whole square ni bagi bo formula tongo, but chung oro kai a minus b whole square ni formula na use kai ni. A formula bete igati. A minus b whole square ni bagi shinai. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Or minus ni bagi or minus nka. Gati kasi tongo formula, borok same no, just sign different. A plus b whole square or a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or formula tongo gai or suppose minus ni jagawa plus gai ching or formula use kekamu a plus b ni but here it's a minus sign so here we will use this formula so a gartamo x b hinge minus 3 so x square plus b square minus 3 whole square minus 2 into ab a hinge x b hinge minus 3 gai x square plus 5x minus 5 equals to x square minus 3 whole square hinge 9 so plus 9 Itabo plus 9 plus 6x into Clyde minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6x. Gai tabo bono 5 x square yang x square lakai minus minus cut 5x plus 6 yang thakai minus 6x equals to 9 yang minus 5 yang thakai plus. So plus 5 minus 6x gai minus x equals to 9 plus 5 14 x equals to 14 goro x equals to 14 gai or equation ni root. Now next question ama solve khlainai or ni bagi hingai chung middle term factorization ama use ma khlainai middle term factorization mane nai jena multiply khai 14 phainai eba jena plus eba minus khai 9 phainai 14 and 9 am to jat phaini jat number nang nai 14 bagi hai 7 to the 14 7 by 2 no plus ke bese khai 9 minus 7 minus 2 khai 9 5 ang tak shui tongo omo nai ke buji nai 7x square minus we need to search jeng am te he number nango je multiply khlake 14 phainai te plus ke ba minus khlake 9 phainai the 7 to the 14 i current man tong 7 to the 14 gai 9 by ke 5 by auto minus ganang 9 minus befru 5 je fru bigger number ni bis kango minus tong khai minus 5 so minus 7 gai jeng 7 by 2 no plus ke 9 5 minus 7 minus 2 khai ke bese khai 9 5 so minus 7x minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0 iko jeng oro tangit minus mana kha because 2 jodi minus 2x jodi plus ka hangkai plus minus engai minus 5 si phai kemo ga oro minus na kha se minus plus engai 9x biskango minus engai because iko 7 bigger number ni biskango minus katabo common na ka hangkai oro common na ka hangkai 7 kashu common nai mano te kini bisingtam common x kashu common nai mano goro x toru kha minus moto same ga 1 minus tam common nai man 2 gai 2 common na tam toruk x omoto minus sign bo khel khaya nango one ka hangkai oro minus to hangkai oro plus 2 bna bagite kasha minus nango gai 2 to 2 gai 2 common na kai 1 equals to 0 gai oro ni tam toruk x minus 1 kete kashe 7x minus 2 equals to 0 gai x specify ka x equals to 1 keba x equals to or minus eng thanga hangai what buji hang kang kisa kham ko explain khai mano x minus 2 equals to 0 ble guys 7x yang tong khai 2 na eng tlang kha x equals to 2 by 7 asuk 5 gai o je minus thai ni jodi problem to hang ka ka chikon step follow khake easy nai je kuno samo minus hangai plus ngo plus minus hangai minus ngo minus plus hangai minus ngo plus hangai plus ngo just o chikon sa amo mutna rakha hangai je kuno samo plus minus thake kuno problem ya ga to amo kashi mutna rak di bigger number ni biskango minus tongkhai minus marnai ga tabuk chung nai lenai real and equal roots tam na hun real and unequal roots bhagyang imaginary roots bhagyang suppose discriminant part 1 ang sadak tongo discriminant ngai b square minus 4ac no discriminant no ngai if the discriminant is 0 then the roots are real and equal jodi bongni discriminant 0 ngai roots real tai equal hinjabo if bongni discriminant greater than 0 ngai roots are real and unequal if bongni discriminant less than 0 ngai roots are imaginary mane borok real ya ga chingta bo ati khaina koyekta examples check khaine je roots real da unequal da amo singjago exam rogo bahike amuni roots no solve khayawai naidi equal da unequal da real da imaginary da borok exam mo amti questions rock singi mano ga chingta bo check khlainai abuni b square discriminant kaine sikangchang b square minus 4ac b hingeta moro omo a omo b omo c goro a hingai always x square ni coefficient me mana hingai te b hingai x by c hingai constant part no c hinai ga oro a hingai 1 ngai b hingai minus a ngai and c hingai the constant part minus b square ngai ga chingoro minus a whole square ni bagai omo a square no 5 4b square gomtamo equal or unequal chung ora nai mano if any value ang 1 put khaiga chung suppose chung put khaiga hanga 1 bini value bo 2 ofan put khaiga hanga obviously 0 ne sei bangai tongo that is antai ga chung bono tam huni manai roots are real and unequal tabo ora nai from guy b square minus 4ac b hingai aro 2 root 3 whole square minus a hingai 1 c hingai minus 9 koro 2 into 2 4 into 3 minus plus 36 12 plus 36 hingai besok finai 48 and 48 is greater than 0 mane all of our roots are real and unequal square minus 4ac khake b square mane 8 square minus 4 into 2 into 9 khaine ga 8 8 jab se khaine 64 minus 2 4 36 2 za 12, 1, 72. 72, that is minus of height answer. 62 minus 64 hangkai 8. Minus 8 means bo 0 inside chikon. So omo hangkai tamngai roots are imaginary. Gai tingin ibaga asung no hambai.